All right, so this project's going to be on doing a splash screen. So start creating a new project. We'll go into empty compose activity at next. I made this minimum SDK for API 31, Android 12.0. We'll call it splash screen demo. All right, that's done building. So let's go into our Gradle scripts. Let's add the first one. This is important. You need this implementation. You need that one. Android X core splash screen. Let's do a sync. All right, that's sync. Now let's go into our resources. Here's our theme. Let's make a separate theme just for this one. We'll call it splash theme. Okay, we'll add our first style. It'll be theme dot start dot I don't know, app, and we'll give it a parent of that's the parent theme dot splash demo, which is this one in our themes XML. So go back to splash theme, the one we just created. So add an item. We're gonna do, let's see, window splash screen animated icon. Actually, I want this one with the Android namespace. From there, we need to add the drawable. So let's make the drawable. Let's make our logo new vector asset. I'm gonna do it with a local file. You can do clip art, whatever you want. Okay, we'll finish that. All right, now that we got that, let's make a reference to it right there. All right, now we need the background. Let's see, window splash screen background, that one. And we'll give it color, how about purple 700? This is like the default color value when you make the project. And then let's do item post splash screen theme, and we'll refer back to this one, to the parent theme. Splash screen demo. Okay, so let's go into our manifest file, and we want to add that to the launch activity. There we go. It's that one, the one we just created. So now we have a reference to it. Let's go into our launch activity. Let's see, manifest, it's the main activity. Now, let's get some stuff for showing the splash screen. Install splash screen, apply this. Okay, we want to set the keep on screen condition. Okay, so we need some condition of when to show it. Let's do that with a view model. So let's make a view model real quick. Main view model, inherit from view model. And then let's get the public exposure, exposed variable here. Okay. Let's just add a delay for, let's say, 3 seconds. Oh, we got to wrap that in a coroutine. Okay, and then we're going to change that is loading value to false. Or, oops, this should be true to start. There we go. There we go. Alright, so this is what we're going to refer to from main activity. First we need to get a handle on that. So oh, there we go. And let's set the condition, view model that is loading the value there. Okay, so when that's loading, while that's true, it's going to be shown. When it turns false, it should go away. And here in view model, we're simulating an API network call to fetch some data, something which is like the purpose of splash screens, is to load some data while your app is starting up, configure some stuff. Let's see if this works. There we go. It showed for 3 seconds, and then I went to main activity. Good.